Hey everyone, Josh here from Sprout Up Philippines and Yabong Pilipinas in partnership with Omaha Garden. Welcome back to Soil Smart Gardening from the Ground Up. And we are in our final episode. Can you believe now we have finished a whole new series? And it's been an amazing journey from digging into the basics of soil to understanding how nutrients, water, and life in the soil all come together to make plants thrive. And today, we are looking forward into the future of soil and sustainable gardening. This episode is about how we, as gardeners, can adapt, care for our soil, and build practices that keep our gardens healthy for decades to come. Let us start with the big picture. Climate change. The way our climate is shifting with hotter summers, heavier rains, and long dry spells. These directly affect soil health. Soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. You remember that from our first episode? It stores water, hosts microbes, keeps nutrients available for plants. When extreme weather hits, soil can degrade faster. Heavy rainfall can wash away topsoil, while droughts dry it out, making it hard for plants to access water. In Nebraska, for example, heavy spring rains can lead to erosion in gardens or farmland if the soil isn't protected, and hot, dry summers can stress plants and soil life alike. But there's hope. By understanding how soil reacts to changing conditions, we can adopt gardening practices that make our soil more resilient, ensuring that it can withstand these challenges and still support healthy plants. This brings us to regenerative gardening. Regenerative gardening is all about working with the soil and not against it. It's the idea that every action you take in the garden should improve soil health over time, not just feed your plants temporarily. One core principle is keeping the soil covered with mulch or cover crops. This protects it from erosion, regulates temperature, and helps retain moisture. Another is minimal disturbance. The less you dig or till, the more the soil structure and microbial life remain intact. These microbes, fungi, and earthworms are like the hidden workforce that makes soil fertile and resilient. Adding organic matter regularly, whether through compost, green manures, or leaf litter, feeds the soil, keeps it alive, and ensures nutrients are available for plants naturally. Over time, regenerative practices actually increase soil organic carbon, which improves water retention, reduces erosion, and even helps mitigate climate change by storing carbon in the soil rather than letting it escape into the atmosphere. Now, let's talk about some tools gardeners can use to boost soil life. We have compost tea, biochar, and microbial inoculants. We will discuss them one by one. Compost tea is essentially a liquid made from soaking compost in water. Sometimes farmers add a little sugar or molasses to feed the microbes. When poured over soil or sprayed on plant leaves, it introduces beneficial bacteria and fungi that helps plant absorb nutrients and fight disease naturally. It can be thought of as a vitamin boost for your soil. Biochar is another fascinating tool. It's a type of charcoal added to soil, but unlike barbecue charcoal, it's made specifically to improve soil. Biochar helps soil hold water and nutrients, provides a safe home for microbes, and even locks carbon into the ground for the long term. It's like creating tiny apartments for microbes that keep your soil healthy and productive. And lastly, we have microbial inoculants, which are concentrated formulations of beneficial bacteria and fungi. They help establish a thriving soil ecosystem, especially in degraded soils or new garden beds. By reintroducing these helpful organisms, you are essentially jump-starting the soil food web and giving plants a natural boost. The beauty of all these tools is that they feed the soil first, rather than just feeding the plant. Healthy soil naturally grows healthy plants, and by supporting microbes and fungi, you create a system that can take care of itself in the long run. Ultimately, the future of the soil depends on us, the gardeners, the stewards of the land. Soil stewardship isn't just about following techniques. It is a mindset. It's about observing your soil, understanding how it behaves, and responding thoughtfully. It starts with awareness. Pay attention to your soil's texture, moisture, color, and life. Notice where water pools or dries out quickly. Watch for signs of nutrient deficiencies or compaction. The more you observe, the better you can anticipate problems before they become serious. Next is action. Apply what you've learned throughout this series. Cover crops, mulching, composting, minimal tillage, crop rotation, and soil testing. Experiment with compost teas or biochar if it fits your garden. Every action, no matter how small it is, contributes to a more resilient soil ecosystem. And finally, think long-term. Soil is not just a medium for this year's plants. It is a living resource that can support generations of gardens if treated with care. When you invest in soil health, you're investing in the future of your garden, your community, and even the planet. So as we wrap up this series, remember this: soil is alive, it is dynamic, and it is the foundation of everything we grow. From understanding basic soil composition, water, and nutrients, to tackling urban soils and building raised beds, all the way to exploring regenerative practices and microbial life. Every step matters. The future of gardening isn't just about plants, it's about how we care for the soil beneath them. I hope this series has inspired you to look at your garden differently, not just a place to grow plants, but as a living ecosystem. Remember, healthy soil leads to healthy plants, healthy food, and healthy communities. So let's take what we've learned and commit to personal soil stewardship. Keep observing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep growing from the ground up. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to see the gardens you create with these soil-smart practices. Until then, this is Josh from Omaha Gardener in this series, Soil Smart, Gardening from the Ground Up. Thank you very much for being with me throughout this series. See you in the next one, and remember, if you grow it, you know it.